If you're looking to generate money from your blog, chances are you're going to be having to look at a company name. And today I'm going to show you how easy it can be to register a company name or a limited company in your name using online tools. It's really simple. Let's give it a go. So if you're ready to start generating money, sending invoices to clients, and generally going from a hobby blogger to someone who's looking to make it into a business, you will need to register as a company. Now, how that looks can be in various ways, from partnerships all the way through to a limited company. However, I've always done limited companies. It's really simple. You can keep income, expenditure, and also you can make sure that you invoice the client, and it's really simple and easy. It's great for when you're looking to work with a big brand, because you have a company. They feel trusted. And this has been said by a number of PR companies that I've worked with in the past. They're really happy working under a limited company. So you've probably looked at Companies House and it's all a bit crazy. Now, there are plenty of different options out there for you to choose on where you can register your company. However, I have always used the one company that I feel trusted with, and it's called companiesmadesimple.com. Now, this isn't a paid for, it's not a promotion, we do not get a referral or anything. This is purely based on my experience over I think 11-12 years in business, having national companies. I've always used this. It's been really simple. So if you've watched the previous video about domain names, you probably want to now look for company names. Now, we used thegardenroses.com, so let's have a look to see if the Garden Roses Limited is available. So simple thing, click in the middle, and we're going to have a look to see if it's available. The good news is the Garden Roses Limited is available to register, and then we'll have a look down and see our options. Now, as mentioned, limited company, contractor, non-resident, guarantee, LLP. We're gonna look at limited company. It's really, really simple. It also has limited liabilities for you as a director, as well as having a few perks which you can look into. So we've got a few options, just like what we do when we have hosting packages or domain name purchases. You can have the basic option at $15.99 plus VAT, which will give you pretty much, it will form the company and give you the documents that you need to start up. We then have a special offer privacy package, and just from looking here, it will do you your first board meeting minutes, give you a certificate of incorporation, share certificate, maintenance of statutory books, gives you an N1 London address for registration, and also it will keep your residential address private. For £14 more, if that's really valuable for you, I suggest doing it. Next one above here, for an additional £20, you get your first year's confirmation statement, and you also get your memorandum and articles of association. And then finally at $99, you get mail forwarding for a year, VAT registration, and access to Work Hub, which looks like it's a WeWork co-working space in London. Okay, what does that all mean? Chances are you are going to be starting small with invoices here, there, and everywhere. Really manageable books. It's probably going to be very, very cheap for an accountant to manage your business. So I would recommend going basic. Keep it nice and simple, keep your costs down. You obviously, as a director of the company, have to do certain things, but these are laid out to you, and you get letters to remind you as well. It's also worth noting that an accountant will be able to have a look at your annual turnover or expected turnover and be able to give you some guidance on what you need to do and when you need to do it. If you've got a good one like me, chances are that he will do that for you. Their registered address will then become the accountant's address. So actually, you get the privacy by using that accountant. If you are going to be doing things yourself, maybe looking at a more comprehensive package. It will also give you peace of mind to say that your first year's confirmation statement has been done, and also your memorandum and articles of association, you've got that as well. Oh. However, it's that simple. I then click on buy now. I put in my shareholders, I put in my personal details, and the company gets set up for me, giving me a hub to keep an eye on my dates, etc. So I make sure that I don't miss any dates. It's really that simple. So there are a number of companies out there that do this kind of service. I personally recommend Companies Made Simple, as I've used them a lot. However, just a quick Google search. You might find cheaper if price is really important to you, but we recommend this purely based on the simplicity and purely based on the fact that you've got those multiple options and you've got a hub to keep all of your information about your company in to then go back and find it. I've been Phil from Business of Blogs. Thank you so much. If you've got any questions, comment below, like, subscribe, of course, and also visit businessofblogs.com, where we offer a free support, technical support, WordPress support, blogging support, whatever you need, we will try to help you completely free. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your ongoing support, and I will speak to you all soon.